Welcome to Open Pakistan Education Network. What is computer programming? Computer programming is explained as magic in the comic strip on your screens. It does seem like magic at times, but trust me, computer programming is much simpler than magic. The analogy we can use for computer programming is of a food recipe. A food recipe is just a set of instructions to prepare a food item. Food items include dishes like biryani, halwa puri, jalebi, etc. Each recipe is meant to prepare an individual food item. Programs need some hardware to execute or run, such as a desktop computer, a laptop, or a cell phone. Programs or software or applications comprise of web applications, desktop applications, and mobile apps. A recipe is just like a program, which, in turn, is a set of instructions. These instructions are generated by a software engineer and deployed to a desktop computer, laptop, or cell phone. A software engineer or developer produces the instructions, and these set of instructions are converted to a software or an application or a program and deployed to a device. To reiterate, step 1 involves the developer writing human-readable source code in a programming language. The second step is when source code is compiled or translated into software or program which is machine-readable. The third or last step includes the generated software or program being deployed or installed on a computer or device. The human-readable instructions in the first step can be read by any software engineer or developer that comes in contact with them. Human-readable means the instructions can be read and understood by any individual. When the instructions are compiled, translated, or converted into a software or program in machine instructions, it means the conversion is done by a compiler. Hence, a human who is a software engineer or developer writes a computer program. A compiler converts human-readable code into machine-readable code, which is the software or program that gets installed on a device. To summarize the previous discussion, the hardware that a software or program deploys to are desktop computers, laptop computers, or cell phones. Software can be characterized as desktop applications, web applications, and mobile apps. A program is first written in a human-readable form by a software engineer or developer. The second step is the compilation or transformation of code into machine-readable software. The third and final step is the installation of that software on a computer or device.